Hey there, the Export Posts to Brilliant Directories plugin seamlessly connects your WordPress website to your Brilliant Directories website, allowing you to instantly and automatically transfer blog posts, including titles, content, SEO metadata, post status, and featured images from WordPress to Brilliant Directories. The real benefit? You can maintain your existing WordPress site and its content while seamlessly utilizing Brilliant Directories' robust platform for enhanced content features, discovery, and member engagement without having to manually recreate everything. This plugin centralizes your content, automates migration, preserves SEO, and streamlines your publishing workflow. It's a fast, no-code setup designed to save you time. Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to establish a connection between your WordPress website and your Brilliant Directories website. Simply enter your Brilliant Directories URL and paste in your API key. If you don't have an API key, you can easily generate one from your Brilliant Directories admin area within the Developer Hub. Once connected, you'll see a successful connection message confirming you're ready to export. Under the General Settings tab, you have powerful control over your export process. In Export Settings, you can choose to either export all posts or only posts that haven't been previously migrated, which is great for ongoing content creation. For automation, you can set an auto export schedule. Whether you prefer daily, weekly, or monthly exports, this feature ensures your Brilliant Directories site always has your latest WordPress content without manual intervention. A handy feature is Set Export Delay, allowing you to define how many days must pass after a post is published in WordPress before it becomes eligible for export, giving you time to make any final edits before the export occurs. A crucial feature for SEO is redirect exported post URLs. Enabling this automatically creates a 301 redirect from your original WordPress post URL to the new URL on your Brilliant Directories website. This means you maintain your hard-earned SEO traffic, and you can even keep the original WordPress post in published status without worrying about duplicate content issues. You also have options to limit exports to specific categories, helping you manage exactly which content moves over. Below that, under Actions, you can manually trigger an export at any time using Click to Sync Post Now, or use the Update Post Status option to push any changes to post statuses for already exported content. You also have the option to delete export history if needed. Now, let's look at the Create Post Settings tab, where you define how your WordPress posts appear on your Brilliant Directories site. You must assign a post author by entering a valid member ID from your Brilliant Directories website, ensuring all exported content is correctly attributed. Crucially, you can select post type to map your WordPress posts to the appropriate content type on your Brilliant Directories site, whether it's a blog article, event, job listing, or another custom post type. You also control the post status on BD site for new exports, allowing you to publish posts immediately or save them as a draft. Finally, under Select Additional Data to Include with Exports, you can choose to export valuable elements like post featured image, post tags, and importantly, your SEO metadata, including titles, descriptions, and keywords, further preserving your search engine rankings on your Brilliant Directories website. This plugin simplifies your content management by enabling seamless migration, preserving your SEO, and providing flexible export options, whether manual or automated. It's designed to make managing your valuable content across platforms effortless. Remember, a Brilliant Directories website is required to use this plugin. And if you don't have one yet, you can activate your free trial at brilliantdirectories.com/trial. Thanks for watching. We're excited to see how the Export Posts to Brilliant Directories plugin helps you grow your online community or business. Happy exporting!